Are you looking for the best rowing machines in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best rowing machines. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. We have the Concept 2 Indoor Rowing Machine. This air rowing machine comes with a sleek but sturdy metal construction to offer stability and durability. The fitness equipment also comes with a maximum load-bearing capacity of 500 pounds. Moreover, this low-impact workout machine targets all the muscles of your bodies and strengthens the muscles of your core, arms, and legs. With the help of a digital display, the unit lets you track your real-time workout statuses. This unit is also ideal for any high-calorie burning motion. Furthermore, this rowing machine comes along with 14-inch seat height and adjustable footrests. With the help of easy rolling caster wheels and foldable design, the machine lets you store and transport it with no difficulty. This air mower comes along with an ergonomic handle. Moving on at number 4. We have the Stamina ATS Air Rower. This air rowing machine involves the construction of high-quality steel material. The wind resistance air rower of this unit also has effective and smoother rowing stroke. Moreover, this machine comes along with a nylon strap to offer ultimate extreme strength to the rowing machine. The cardio training equipment has a multi-purpose electronic monitor display, so you can easily track down your stroke rate and speed time. With the help of the display, this rowing machine also allows you to keep track of the distance and burnt calories. Furthermore, the unit comes with a textured grip on the handle to offer a comfortable and stable grip on it. The padded seat of the rail easily glides while exercises. This unit comes along with a collapsible frame and wheels for better storage and transportability. At number 3, we have the Mr. Rudolph Water Rowing Machine. This rowing machine comes with adjustable water resistance, is perfect for full-body exercise at your home. You can also alter the quantity of the water in the water rower to adjust the pressure of the water. Moreover, the machine comes along with a poo seat, so you can sit on the rollers for hassle-free gliding. By using a simple operation, this rowing unit lets you change the intensities of the resistance accordingly. The side rail also has the construction of heavy-duty aluminum alloy material to withstand the weight up to 220 lbs. Furthermore, the easy gliding wheels of this unit allow you to move it from one place to another. With the help of a large LCD monitor, this unit lets you track your workout intensity, timing, distance, scanning, and so on. At number 2, we have the Sunny Health and Fitness Obsidian Surge 500 Water Rowing Machine. This rowing machine involves the construction of high-grade and robust oak wood material. The smooth and polished finish of this cardio training unit also makes it extremely durable. Moreover, the transparent water rower articulates the real feeling of rowing. With water, the machine weighs 108 pounds. The flywheel of this unit easily sits in the encircled water tanks, so you can enjoy smoother and quicker cardio exercises. This machine also comes with self-regulated resistance for safer cardio exercises. Furthermore, with the help of 4 performance monitor, the unit allows you to trace the stroke rate, heart rate, workout intensity, and other statuses. This perfect wooden rowing machine comes with a non-impact and non-load-bearing mechanism to suit the users with joint issues. And finally at number 1. We have the Sunny Health and Fitness Phantom Hydro Water Rowing Machine. Derived from heavy-duty ash and stained honey oak woods, the rowing machine comes with a perfect finishing of Danish oil. The wooden material construction also comes with a properly engineered design to reduce the vibration and sound while applied. Moreover, the water rower of this machine comes with sturdy wooden construction to offer durability and eco-friendliness. Both of the left and right rails come with vinyl coating on the wider handle to offer ultimate comfort. The wider handles of this machine also offer comfort for the people with broader shoulders and lower footrests. Furthermore, the unit comes with a water rower with a maximum capacity of 17 liter. The rubber feet at the base of this rowing machine keep it in place. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.